I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach us about comments in C#. Alright, so we have what is called comments, and whenever we talk about comments, it means to be able to give quality to your code. And these qualities are not applicable when the codes are being run. They are just for the developers alone. Alright, so whenever you want to specify things so that whoever is going to maintain the code can be able to understand what the code does, you go ahead and use comments. Let's say a code you write today, if you come back to that code in next 6 months, you might not be able to understand what is happening. But with use of comments, you can be able to understand what all these things do. Let's go ahead and say, for instance, we have a single line comment and we have multiple line comments, where say I have console dot write line, and then I'll go ahead and say this is C# programming. So this is C# programming, and go ahead and place semicolon at the end, and use our console dot read key, and then go ahead and close that. Now, if I have a very big bunch of code, let's say, I'll go ahead and copy this. Then let's go ahead and press. Now I'll go ahead and say change this to, this is a Java programming, and next one, this is a C programming, and next one, this is a C++ programming, and then next one, this is a Python programming, and last one, let's go ahead and say this is, go ahead and remove this. Alright. Okay, now I have these 5 things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can go ahead and run this code. It's gonna work out very fine, okay? Alright, so we have, this is a C# programming, this is Java programming, this is a C programming, this is a C++, and this is Python programming. Now, let's assume that I have much code on that C#, on that Java, and on that these, and all this code are going to execute different stuffs. Alright, maybe I'm writing a code for a website or for something else, and I want to collect everything concerning C#, Java, C, C++, and Python differently. Now, I've written a very big bunch of code, and I want this to do specific things. What I need to do is I have to let the user or the developer is going to maintain this code to understand what this does. So I can use single line comments for each of this line. So with these single line comments, you could double // and whatever you're going to write here will be in green color. Check it out. I'll go here and say C# code. Alright, now Java code. Then C code. Then C++ code. And Python code. Now, this is I wrote here, and not for the not for programming purpose. This is for the developer or for myself who is writing the code, so that if I come back to maintain this code, I can be able to understand what this thing do. Alright, if I go ahead and run this code, I'm not going to see C# code or anything blah. Can you see? They don't exist because they're not part of the program. They're just comments. And these things are called single line comments. Alright, so I can start from here. Maybe I can just go here and start. I say this is single line comment. Now if I run this code, it's a single line comment, it should not be printed out. Can you see that? Now, I can extend this and move down and continue. Can you see? Can you see there's an error? If I run this code, it's going to dictate error. Go ahead and delete everything right here. So if you want to write a very big sentence concerning your code, may want to tell the user how you started, blah, 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 this, that, and that takes multiple lines. So for you to do that, use what is called multiple line comment. And for you to use multiple line comment, you go ahead and use /*. So you can see everything right here has changed to green for the code. Now to end that, you go ahead and see */ Now whatever you write in here, can you see that is part of this comment? You can write multiple lines. Can you see that? It will keep going down. So you can write to anything you want. Now if you run this code, it's going to execute properly. Check it out. So the multiple line comment helps us to write in very large comments into multiple lines, and it starts with / with * and ends with * // And the single line comments, you can put single line comments anywhere, maybe at the end of each line of your code, or you go ahead and put that on top or below or anywhere. Okay, so you can place it anywhere you want. For the use of a multiple line comment, you want to tell the user the author of this code, the time the code was written, the year it was written, where it was written, and so whoever wants to maintain this code, say, okay, this code was written by Peter Paul, and this code was written in so place, and it was written on this date, and it was executed, it is put on GitHub, and all this. So this is where multiple line comments plays a very big role, alright? So you can use that to write as many things as you need. So now, I believe you've learned about comments, multiple line comments, and single line comments. You can place single line comments anywhere you want. You can place multiple line comments anywhere. And multiple line comments starts with /* and a backward */ And for single line comments, use double / for that. And that is all about comments in C# programming. So I believe you're going to put this down on your own and implement that, play around with it. And if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.